and what you accept throughout this world. You can, and then of course this health is nothing but a vibration. Happiness is nothing but a vibration. Prosperity is nothing but a vibration. All these things that people want is nothing but a vibration. You don't chase vibrations, you become those vibrations. So I don't chase prosperity, I became prosperity. There's a difference. That happens in the thinking. I don't have to read that book to become Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You know what I'm saying? I just become daddy. What you want to be, you project yourself by becoming it. You know what I'm saying? They tell you in those type of books, you want a Ferrari, you hang with Ferrari people, you buy the Ferrari gloves, you wear a Ferrari jacket, you have Ferraris on your wall. You pretend you're in a Ferrari every day. You in a hoopty like a motherfucker. My Ferrari. You know what I'm saying? You got to put it around you and become it. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Doesn't mean you're going to get it for whatever other reasons in your block mind. Mm-hmm. But that's your best chance. Because they understand you have to become these things. Principle of vibration. Mm-hmm. Most of us think we're going to be rich because we spend our time trying to be rich. So that means you always try to be. That's why when niggas get money, they spend that shit real quick. Because they lost. They out their element. They need to get in a place where they hustling. Where they grinding. Because they spend all their time vibrating on that frequency. I'm in the hustle. Then, oh shit, I got some money. What do I do? Well, I better buy lobster in a gold chain. I better hurry up. You know what I'm saying? And then you broke again, like, yeah, but you feel comfortable back in that grind. That's why when white people who are rich, you be like, look at that nigga's sneakers. Remember we used to do that? He got some dirty sneakers. But they be filthy rich. Because he's born from that frequency. You don't need to put on Nikes and be dressing up. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. I'm 2 Chainz, nigga. 2 Chainz. You gotta do all that shit. Them fucking dances. Do all that shit. Prove you ballin'. Because they are from it. So really, and that's a big part of magic. We need to know how to put ourselves in that moment. That's what the power of the now is. Getting in the vibration of what it is that's happening right now. All that ties into the laws of attraction. But that's the laws of attraction, which is in this principle of cause and effect, is why it didn't work, because they don't know the rest of these fucking laws. Simple as that. So vibration, love is a vibration. Actually, love, I have it measured at 500 hertz. And fear at 150 to 200 hertz. That's measurable. That's in David R. Hawkins' book, The Power of Force. Wayne Chandler told me about this book. And where they're able to measure fear at 150 to 200 and unconditional love at 500. And then they tell you the things that happen in the DNA. I just told you. Frequencies. Listen to this. When compared to unconditional love vibrates at 500 hertz, the Institute of HeartMath did research on fear-based emotions and found that when fear is present, the strands of the DNA tighten, shrivel, and become rigid and inflexible. On the other hand, when the vibration of unconditional love or the presence of happiness, love, and gratitude, they unwind, lengthen, and become more like a sponge for positive energy coursing through the human body. So there you have it. They already did where the frequencies change your DNA. That's what I just got finished telling you. The DNA was like this. You got low frequency music. Fuck you, nigga. I'ma kill you, bitch. Fuck you, nigga. You's a whole little bitch. Drugs, nigga. We got drugs, nigga. Hannah Montana. Come on, nigga. That shit is love. Nigga telling you gonna kill you on the record all day? Ain't nobody till somebody kills you. Well, you want to tell me that's high frequency?
Right. Can't be.
Right, can't be. Just by its definition. Right. It's the spread of fear. You sit there, go, wow, that was a real ghetto story. But actually, that's exactly what it was, a real ghetto story. And it puts you in a place where you go, that nigga's a deep poet, Biggie, but at the same, or Tupac, but that nigga shoot him up. You know what I'm saying? Versus this, Dear Mama. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he came through. He's a form of my eye. That's why he was on both sides of the coin. But see, when you say Dear Mama, we sit there and we like that just as much too. That's why I had the potential. Don't you know we love you, sweet lady, and all that shit. We like, yeah, Sally had a baby and all this shit. So we know it has the potential to give you more unconditional and make you think that way. It activates more the DNA. You see, your shit shuts down with fear.